Hello again. Look, it's a Friday, and normally you don't see me on Fridays, but it's nearly the weekend, so congratulations. The reason I'm here is because this week's video was an interesting one in that we sampled my Hydrosynth and we created a little patch which sounds like this. And you don't have to play just little jazz chords with it if you wanted to play other sounds too. And it turns out that I haven't really been able to stop playing with this patch and beginning to think about ways in which it could potentially work and do some interesting things. In fact, I made this out of it. And if I know this community, I'm thinking you're probably enjoying that too. So you know what? I'm going to be generous. In the link for this video, I'm going to give you access to this patch that we've made. So if you want to download this, have some fun with this instrument, it should be available right here, wherever those things go. In the description, certainly, for the video. Download it, have a play with it, it's all yours. And this is a little pattern sequence with some little exciting bits and pieces happening, but I'll be really intrigued to see what you do with this sound too.